each direction. That helps eliminate. Seeing how I was putting the clear coat, the base coat on heavy, you run a tendency of doing what I was talking about earlier, which is that metallic wanting to float around and migrate towards each other. So if you'll cross hatch it, that helps to eliminate any splotchiness, lines, or anything like that. So another little trick, stick that in your back pocket. But heavy metallics, maroons, silvers. Silver is really bad. Are real bad about cloudiness, blotchiness. You got to know what you're doing if you're going to spray silver metallic. It's, to me, it's my opinion, one of the hardest colors to paint. Your prep work, as far as sanding your primer and all that, has to be, you know, on par. It's got to be dead on the money, because what makes silver silver is the black metallic inside that paint, and it will migrate to any scratch and cause you a black line. So just fold that one up, put it under your hat. Next time you spray metallic silver, just remember that what's up under that paint will be magnified greatly when you spray silver metallic over the top of it. Silver metallic does not hide anything at all. It brings it right out in front of your face. So just remember that. All right, what we're going to do, we're going to let this tack up for about 15 minutes. Go ahead and mix up our clear, and we're just going to spray an intercoat on it. No depth. We're not looking for a solid coat. We're just going to lock this stuff in. All right, back in a minute. All right, guys, if you'll notice, well, you're really fixing to notice. I'm going to scoot you on out here, and you'll notice why here as soon as I pull the trigger on this clear coat. It's got a lot more overspray than base coat does, and that's not the only problem. It stays wet a lot longer in the air than base coat does. Base coat, within 30 seconds after it comes out of the gun, it's dry. Clear coat will float around, you know, for a solid 5 or 6 minutes wet, and it sticks to whatever it lands on. The point to that is, I don't want clear coat all over my new phone. So I've got you backed way on out there. Hopefully that's far enough to keep from messing my phone up, and close enough that you get a general idea as to what's going on. All right, let's spray some clear. All right, guys. Let some of this clear coat overspray get out of the garage. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's pretty thick and it's still super sticky. So whatever goes in there gets clear coat all over it. But as soon as it clears out, we'll walk in there and take a gander at what we got, and you'll see what I'm talking about. I'm not after a deep shine right now. I'm just trying to lock those first two coats in so that I don't have to fool with them when it comes time to pinstripe and airbrush. I can go right at it. I don't have to prep anything. So, all right. Alright, spin you around so you can look at what I'm talking about. You can see it doesn't have a deep shine. That's all I'm after. I don't want any type of deep shine right now. I just want an inner coat. That's all I want. No shine. You can't actually right now even tell that it's metallic. But Lord of mercy, when you put those other 3 coats of clear on it, oops, left-handed knucklehead. Them other 2 coats of clear, after I get, you know, some playing around with it, and then before 4th season comes up, I'll have it back together and clear coated. But that's it, guys. I appreciate you hanging out with me, and hope maybe you might have learned something. But hit that like and subscribe button down there for me. Just do me that big favor, and we'll catch you on the next video.